Hello, welcome to this new HostiFi video. My name's Alex. Today we're going to be looking at using your custom domain names with your UniFi server from HostiFi. So one of the guys here at HostiFi, Evan, wrote a guide a little while ago discussing how to use your custom domain name with your UniFi server. So I want to log into my HostiFi portal, and what you do is you find the name of your HostiFi server, and then you go to your DNS provider and create a new CNAME record. We won't show you how to do that because there's a lot of different DNS providers and registrars out there, but if you just Google your registrar name and then add CNAME records, you'd be able to find out how to do it. But basically, so if I want to do my UniFi server here, I would enter in this ID here, which would be the in between the colon and the dash and the slash. And I'll just go to custom domain and then add my domain in. So mine could be unifi.randomblog.com. I can add the domain, and then it would look at it would go and find the CNAME record first before it even add it. So you'd add a new CNAME record for that domain, and click on the add domain name, and then it may take a few hours to sort of propagate through the internet. So then you'll be able to access your UniFi server at unifi.yourdomain.com, and after that an SSL certificate will be automatically registered for you as well. So it is really handy to do because SSL certificates can be a bit of a pain sometimes. And then you can use unifi.yourdomain.com to register any new UniFi devices such as APs, gateways, and that sort of thing. And it'll just make things a lot easier to remember because that HostiFi URL can be a little bit hard to remember sometimes, M0100, etc. Okay, thank you for watching this quick HostiFi video. My name's Alex. If you need more help, don't hesitate to contact our team at support@hostify.com. You can find more information about HostiFi at hostify.com, and you can have a look at our new HostiFi Pro network consulting service where we look at helping people with their Ubiquiti software and hardware and making life a bit easier. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give us a like, and we'll see you again in the next video.